Oh, hey my friends, it's me, Handyman Hal. I hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. Oh, check it out. We're here at this awesome construction site. And look at all this really cool equipment we get to use. Oh, it's awesome. And we are regrading this land. It's gonna be an awesome job today. Come on, let's go.
How's a handyman? A handyman that's got a plan. How's a handyman? If he can't fix it, no one can.
Oh yeah, oh, I see some dirt over here, come on. Let's go get it. Oh yeah. Oh, and I spin around. Oh yeah. Can we spin? Oh yeah. Here we go, let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at this big pile of dirt. Oh, we gotta lift up our boom. Oh, there it goes. Okay, here we go. Oh, let's see if we can get some of this dirt. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. Oh, I think we're perfect right here. We gotta drop our blade down. Oh, that way we can stabilize ourselves just a little bit. There we go, perfect. Oh, let's go. Let's get our boom out. All right, then let's open up our bucket. There it is. Perfect. Here we go. Down. Let's pick up some dirt. Oh, yeah, here we go. There he goes. Oh, wow. It's perfect. Oh yeah. This is great. Oh, well, I think we need a dump truck. Let's call for the dump truck. Oh, check out the horn. Oh, wow. We just gotta put it in the dump truck now.
Wow, look at that dump truck. It's all full. See you later.
Oh, this excavator has some amazing controls. We got two really important joysticks right here. This one moves the whole entire cab to the left. Oh, yep. And to the right. Oh, yeah. And we have one boom arm right here, and we can lower it. We can raise it. Oh, yep. And then this one right here, this joystick, that operates the bottom end of the excavator. Let's see. We've got one boom there. They can go out and can come in. And another one, if you move it to the left and to the right, it opens and closes the bucket. Oh yeah. You see all of the hydraulic hoses? Oh wow. This excavator has a lot of moving parts. So of course, it needs a lot of hydraulic fluid and hydraulic hoses. Oh, this is great. All right, come on. Let's finish this. Whoa.
Whoa! This excavator is awesome. Let's move some more dirt. This excavator is making the job fun and a lot faster. Let's lift the bucket up really high. Wow, that's way up there. Awesome job.
Wow, that was awesome. We did a great job. Now, we gotta go put the excavator back and get another piece of equipment. Oh, come on. Oh, let's raise our blade up. Yup. There it goes. There we go. And check out these tracks. Oh, this is how it operates. You have these two controllers up front here. All right, and you even could use a paddle. All right, so the left one controls the left one. And can you hear the reverse beep? Oh, and the right one controls the right one. Oh, yeah. So we can spin around. Yep. And we can go forward. Here we go. Can you see the tracks? Oh, they're spinning around. And that's how the excavator moves. Oh, wow, that was great. Whoa, I love working with excavators. They're amazing. Oh, let's shut the door. It's all done. Oh, wow, look at this. It's a bulldozer. Oh, these are amazing. Oh, especially because this right here, they have these humongous blades on them. Check it out. And what they do is when it goes down to the ground, the bulldozer goes forward, it moves dirt. And a lot of dirt at that. Oh, look, it's got some really cool hydraulics in here. Oh, so the blade goes up and down, and it even tilts to the left and to the right. Totally awesome. Oh, look, and it's got to have a humongous engine. Oh, that's great. Oh, look, and check out these tracks. They're really cool, and this is how they operate. By these gears, you see that right there? They have little notches, and when it spins, it catches the tracks, and that's what moves the tracks, and that's what moves the bulldozer. Oh, come on, let's get in. I see some dirt we need to move. Oh, let's climb right on up here. Oh, yep, there we go. Oh yeah. Let's get to moving some earth. Let's crank it up. Oh, here's the key. Here we go. Gotta wait, there it is. And let's crank it up. Oh, wow. You hear that engine? This is awesome. Well, safety first. We gotta put our seatbelt on. Oh, and look, it's bright orange just like my vest. Love it. All right, there we go. Got that in there. All right, we gotta turn on. There we go. Let's see. We got it. We have some really cool controls. We've got two joysticks. This one right here actually operates the tracks, and this one operates the blade. So we can raise it up. Oh yes, just like that, and we can lower it. Oh, that's really cool. And check this out. We can tilt it to the left, and we can tilt it to the right. Oh, and check this one out. We can turn it. Oh, that's really cool. Like if we're turning a curve. Oh, that's great. Or if we want to move it to the left, or if we want to move the dirt to the right. That's really cool. Let's see here. Oh, let's get that straight there. Perfect. Now, let's get rolling. Let's see. Let's put it in drive. Take off our parking brake and put it in drive. Here we go. Whoa, no, we are in reverse. We got to put it in drive. There we go. Here we go. Oh, check this out. Oh, all right. So we can go forward, and we can take our joystick and move it to the left, and we can turn left. Or we can turn it to the right by moving our joystick to the right. Oh, wow. This is great. All right, now, let's go get to that dirt.
See those gears working to move the tracks?
Oh. Oh, all right, here we go. Let's drop our blade. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, wow. We're moving all kinds of dirt. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Now, let's move this over here towards the big excavator. Oh, yeah. There we go. Almost there. There you go. It's perfect. Oh, yeah. Woo. Just a little dusty out here. Oh. Oh, wow. That was awesome. Ooh. Now, let's shake the blade to get the dirt off of it. Oh, wow. Check that out. Isn't that awesome? Oh, there we go. One more time. That's great. All right, let's drop our blade down. There we go. Put our parking brake on and lock our blades, and we're good to go. Oh, that was great. Bulldozers are the best. Oh, whoa. Oh, that was great. Now we get to work with this skid steer. Oh, this is great. Check out the inside. Back here, this is where the engine is. Oh, let's see. Got our fuel here. Let's check it. Up. That looks good. Oh, yes. There you go. Tighten that back. Yep. That looks great. That looks good. Yep. Oh, looks like it's ready to go. Oh, yeah. Let's close this. Oh, look. It's even got a backup camera. Can you see that? Ooh. Might need to clean that up a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Come on. Let's go. Oh, yes. Check out this cool cab. Let's crawl in. Oh, yeah. There we go. Ah, yeah. You know what? This is fully enclosed. But the best part about it, it's got air conditioning. Safety first. Seatbelt. There we go. We got that, and we got these really cool things right here. They come down. They're called lap bars. Let's crank it up. Give it a second. Let's see. There we go. Oh, yes. Whew. Well, I gotta shut the door. Let's go have some fun. Oh, we're good there. See, let's fix our air conditioner. Oh, that looks great. Ah, it's great on a nice hot day like today. Let's see. This glass looks a little dirty. Let's clean it up. We got some windshield wipers. Oh, let's get a little bit of windshield wiper juice on there. Oh, yeah. See. Oh, that looks great. All right, so we got that. Seatbelt, lap bars are on. Let's see. Oh, I need to turn this switch on right here. That revs our engine up just a little bit. Yep. And then we're gonna have to unlock our brake here, which is right there. Here we go. Let's see. Let's raise up our bucket. Oh, yes. All right. And let us go. We can move forward with these really, really cool joysticks. This one actually moves us forward and to the left and to the right. And this one actually operates our bucket and our arms. Oh, yeah. You know, skid steers are really good for moving dirt and really small areas. Yep. Oh, yeah. This is great. Here we go. All right, let's move over here. Oh, I see some dirt we need to move. Right over here. Let's go. All right. Let's see. Let's lift our bucket up perfectly. Let's spin around. Oh, yep. Here we go. Let's drop our bucket. All right, and let's tilt our bucket down so we can scoop some dirt. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. There we go. Wow, and we're gonna scoop it just like that. Oh, that's great. All right. Let's back up a little bit. Oh, wait. We can use our backup camera. Here we go. Oh, this is great. Let's spin around this way. And let's go drop it over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's see here. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's a little hill there. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, I see the big pile of dirt. Here we go. All right. We got to raise up our arms. Well, they can raise up really high. Oh, yep. Let's scoot up closer to the big pile of dirt. Yep. All right, and now let's dump it out. Oh, yes. That was perfect. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's go get some more. All right, here we go. Let's go in for another scoop. Let's drop our bucket down. Oh, yeah. There we go. And then let's tilt our bucket down as well. There we go. All right, let's go up to our pile. And let's get some dirt. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got some now. All right, let's back up. Check out all the dirt we got. Oh, yeah. All right, let's go dump it over here. Oh, let's go. Easy, easy, easy. Oh yeah, here we go. We're doing such an awesome job. Oh, all right, I think we found the perfect spot for it. Oh, here we go. Let's see, let's dump it. Raise up. Oh, there we go. And let's drop it out. Here we go. Wow! Awesome job. Oh, that's great. Let's see how fast we can spin around. Let's go. Whoa! That's great. That's awesome. All right. I think we're good to go now. Back into its spot. There it is. It's perfect. So, let's drop our boom down. Drop that bucket down there. Got to tilt it up a little bit. There it is. Wow. That was awesome. Oh, wow. Look what this is. Oh, yeah. We get to use a roller. I sure do. Like a roller. Scrambled eggs! Oh, scrambled eggs! Oh, and now the ketchup on them. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah! Let's keep on going. Oh, we got the watermelon next. Oh, yeah. And then squishing it. And then squishing it. Oh, yeah. Watermelon for everybody. This is totally awesome. Alrighty. Here comes the green soda. Oh, there it is. And the orange soda. Oh, folks, there it is. And last but not least, the root beer. Here it goes, here it goes. Oh, rollers. I sure do like them. Ooh, and we get to use this one today to flatten out the dirt we put out. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, ooh, I like this seat. This is great. All right, let's see. Safety first. Seatbelt. There we go. Awesome. Well, let's crank it up. Here we go. Oh, wow, that sounds amazing. Oh, all right, let's see. Let's get the rolling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, woo. That was a lot. All right. Oh, All right, let's spin it around. So one more time. Let's roll over it. Let's roll over it on this side right here. Oh, that's amazing. Oh. Gets a little dusty in these construction sites. Aren't rollers amazing? Oh, yes. Oh, we can turn it. Oh, we can go to the right. Oh, and we can go to the left. Oh, this is great. Oh, let's see. Here we go. We're coming up on the dirt. Oh, yeah. Let's roll over this. Oh. Oh, wow. That's amazing. You know this roller is 25,000 pounds. That's a lot. Oh. We can use rollers for all kinds of stuff. For flattening out the earth and making roads, leveling out gravel, and rolling over watermelons. That's great. Oh yeah, this is amazing. You're doing such a great job. This roller has a really cool panel. We've got all our gauges on here. We've got our gas on here. We even got a horn. Oh, yep, we sure do. We got an emergency shut-off switch. And we got this really cool joystick. This is how the roller moves. It revs up. We can go to forward. And we can go in reverse. It's totally awesome. Rollers are amazing. Well, my friends, we've had such an awesome day today here at this construction site. Oh, we got to use an excavator. We got to move all kinds of dirt with that. Put it in the dump truck. And the bulldozer. We got to move around all kinds of dirt. Oh, even the skid steer. We got in those little tight spots. That was great. And we got to work with this awesome roller. We certainly flattened some earth today, right? Oh yeah. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal. We'll see you later.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal's a handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
Thanks for watching Handyman Hal. Check out these other awesome videos. Oh yeah.